guys, I just want to make a quick video showing you my 2019 Yamaha R6. I really like this bike. It's not that heavy, and I just really like the color scheme on it. White, black, and red. Don't ride it that much. I usually ride it about once a week. Sundays, just go for a ride. Saturdays, Sundays, I should say. And didn't do too much to it. I'll go over some of the modifications I made. You know, one of the first things everyone does to their bike when they first get it is install the tank guard. Prevents your belt from scratching your paint. So that was one of my first things I did. Then I installed the GP4 stabilizer. That helps you with any kind of handlebar. It helps you control your handlebar so it doesn't start shaking out of control. Change the exhaust. I got the short pipe, the M4 exhaust, carbon fiber. I changed the rear hugger, carbon fiber. I replaced these to black. They were chrome. Didn't like that, so I changed them to black. Also installed the frame sliders, the OES frame sliders, no drill. Carbon fiber on the front tire. I painted the caliper red. I also installed the Yamaha quick shifter. That way you don't have to use your clutch when you shift the gears. You just pull up on the pedal. So that makes it real easy and real quick shifting. Real easy for really fast. The sliders in the back, you can also use that for lifting the back of the bike when you store it. Keep the bike off the tires. And one more thing I did the rear caliper also, and I upgraded my back tire to 190s. I also changed the integrated smoke brake light signal, and I made a kind of modified signal just to have a side signal. Let me show you how that works. I'll turn the turn signal on, and so when I turn my turn signal on, not only does the integrated one flash, I also smoke the windshield. So that's my 2019 Yamaha R6.